పైన 119 మెంబర్స్ లైవ్. స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడు. జగన్ అది ఫోటో
ఖచ్చితంగా వస్తాడు అమ్మాయి రాకపోయినా.
Probably down the line on June 4th, if on the day that the results would be coming out, I promise that this results would ensure that the whole country would stand up and look towards Andhra Pradesh. When someone told me last time itself was 151, last time out of 175, 151 itself is a tall number. Someone told me 22 out of 25 itself is a tall number. This time, we're going to beat that record. We will surpass 151, we will surpass 250. And predominantly, God's grace, touch wood, they've given the good deliverance of the governance. The governance model that was put in place was never seen before. And while I could do all that, nevertheless, 1.5 years of your effort. 1.5 years of your effort, trying to streamline, trying to bring in more efficiency into the system that we are already in, helped us achieve this target. If this number was there's a lot coming from, I'd rather say, Rishi's team. In fact, even in IPAC also, there was a lot of conflict going on. I think all of you are well aware of it. The earlier mentor Prashant comes up and says, "We are both." In fact, it was a dichotomy. A lot of people do not understand the difference between this team and what Prashant was doing. So when this dichotomy came up, I just told Rishi one thing. Rishi, it is not Prashant what matters. It is this team what matters. Last time, out of 175, 150, one itself is a tall number. And someone told me 22 out of 25 itself is a tall number. This time, we're going to beat that record. We will surpass 151, we will surpass 250.